Good morning, good morning. So sa araw na to is ito yung pinakaunang araw ng 73rd Holy Cross of Davao College Fiesta. Then same as usual, martial pa rin tayo and maintaining the area secured and kailangan natin so yun nga, i-control natin yung crowd na hindi mas stampede every entrance. Then lahat talaga na maglabas sa exit. So dito na time, tamang gwardiya lang tayo, tamang kuha ng video habang hindi pa nag-start yung mass. And yun, kung nakikita nyo naman yung mga maintenance natin is nagsasagawa pa sila ng mga arrangement kasi first day pa lang ng fiesta. Back to post muna tayo kasi mag-start na yung mass. After ng mass, konting sayo naman dyan mga Holy Crossians. Yan, kaway-kaway! So ito na siguro yung last video na i-upload ko kasi continue pa kami sa martial. Then yung natutunan ko is prayer must be our daily routine. So second day of fiesta, meron pa rin, martial pa rin tayo and securing the area, maintaining the peace and controlling the crowd and maganda naman yung flow. Tamang pakinig lang sa ating Holy Cross of Davao College Choral. Ganda talaga ng mga boses. Nakaka-amaze. Yan, tamang pakinig lang kay sir. Ang topic is paano magiging good steward ng nature. Yan, sayo na naman. Ganyan ka-talented yung mga Holy Crossians. Diba? Sari-saring mga talents. So, this will be my last video for the second day. And reminder, kailangan nating alagaan ng maigi ang ating nature. Kasi tayo rin naman na makaka-benefits pagdating ng araw. So, peace, God bless, and shalom! Third day of fiesta, participate tayo sa cleanup drive na gagawin. Tsaka yung nasa area namin is dito lang sa gym. Afterwards, martial na naman tayo dito sa SL kasi may event. Yeah. Afterwards, punta na naman tayo sa taas kasi may mass tsaka martial pa rin. So, it's party time. Ganun pa rin, maintaining the peace and order and securing all Holy Crossians. Quote of the day, enjoy your life in a way of not destroying it. God bless, shalom. So, it's fourth day of the fiesta. Yan, sayaw lang, tamang sayaw, exercise, papawis kon para may energy for the whole day. Martial pa rin tayo, securing, maintaining the peace. At this moment, nagpa-roleplay si Brother Noel Vic H. Doloria, our president. So, yun nga, ang ganda. Ang ganda nung roleplay na ginawa nila. Amazing. Nice. Grabe, ang ganda talaga. Marami akong natutunan. Thank you, brother. Check nga natin tong junior natin kung nakikinig ko ba. Hey! Oh, diba? Goods. Yan, sayawan na naman, diba? Ganyan ka-talented yung mga Holy Crossian. Di nawawala ng sayaw. Saya. Quote of the day, there is growth in the discomfort. Thank you, shalom. So, it's 5th day fiesta of Holy Cross. So, martial pa rin, securing and maintaining the peace and order. So, at this moment, martial tayo dito sa gym habang naglalaro yung mga teachers. Holy Cross versus Mapua. Siyempre, lamang yung Holy Cross. Wow! Go Sir Skibil! Go Sir Skibil! Tara, kaon. Kain muna tayo. Nam-nam, kub-kub. It's already 6 in the evening. Martial pa rin tayo. Maintaining the peace. Quote of the day, do not tell God how big your problem is. Tell your problem how big your God is. Shalom, God bless. So, last day of the fiesta. Wow, galing kumanta ni brother Truly that Holy Cross is home of talented people. Wow! Palakpakan natin ng Holy Crossians. And for the last time, as a summary, is talagang marami ako natutunan. Pinakauna as a marshal, pagiging more patient sa mga tao, kung paano mag-approach kung paano gumawa ng approach na mas effective as a marshal, and camaraderie, fellowship to other people, to other students, also to the faculties. And that's all. Happy Fiesta. God bless. Shalom. Maraming salamat po, Panginoon, sa safe at saka masayang fiesta ng Holy Cross. And to all people behind this event, thank you and God bless you. Shalom.